So here's the box. As you can see, it's very simple, but it doesn't look cheap at all, so that's a nice bonus for packaging. You have the quick start guide as well as the owner's manual right below it, and here is the smartwatch. As you can see, the design is very simple, but in my opinion, it does look very neat. I like the alloy build on the watch itself, and the silicone band is good too. For the colors, you can get these in black, gray, blue, rose gold, and rose pink. And at the bottom, you have the magnetic charger, which I actually like. Other smartwatches in this price range still have a micro USB port for charging, which is not really going to help at all with the waterproofing. So I've been using this watch for more than 2 weeks now, and here are my thoughts. Starting with the setup, you just scan the QR code here or search for the app on the Play Store or on the App Store, turn on your Bluetooth and pair the watch. For the build, as I said, the watch is made out of metal, which is good for durability. The band feels good too, the button is clicky and doesn't wobble at all, and overall I have no issues with the comfort. A cool feature here that's also in high-end watches like the Apple Watch is the blood oxygen saturation sensor. It's normally worn on your fingertip to take the measurement, and here it's on the underside of the watch on your wrist, which isn't the most ideal area, but it does get the job done, and I've been getting accurate measurements all the time. Quick tip though, if you do want higher accuracy, is to take the watch off your wrist and put the sensor on your fingertip where it would normally be. It also has other basic health features here like the heart rate sensor as well as your blood pressure. You also have your step measurement, and yeah, it's not really going to be very accurate. I've woken up every time and it tells me that I've already taken about 25 to 50 steps, which isn't really true since I don't sleepwalk. The sleep tracker is good too. It's usually accurate, and it's a cool feature that it tells you the number of hours and minutes you've slept, whether it's light sleep, deep sleep, or rapid eye movement. For exercise, you have multiple modes here to choose from. You have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, and football. They all do what they're supposed to do, like tracking your footsteps, your heart rate, calories burned, mileage, all that essential data. For the other features, the notifications on your phone will display on the watch face, which is a great one. And it's not just basic apps like messaging and Facebook. Here you can literally get all of your notifications from all of your apps. So if you get a notification of a new video from your subscriptions on YouTube or live scores of NBA games, you'll get all of those. But if you don't want that, then turning them off is pretty easy to do in the app. Some extra little features here that I also found helpful are the flashlight, the stopwatch timer, alarms, remote camera control, and the music control for your phone as well. And of course, my favorite customization feature here is the watch faces. You have your default watch faces here, which look fine, no problem at all. You can also download other ones too, but the main thing here is that you can also select your very own watch face photo, which is definitely cool indeed. Other than that, the battery life is good. I get around 7 to 8 days on a full charge, and for the charging itself, you just drop it on the magnetic base and it charges fast as well. It only takes me about 2 hours or less than that. The UI is smooth, it doesn't lag at all, although these aren't the best looking animations. The haptic motor is good if you like it. The display gets bright enough for outdoor usage, and I guess we just have to wait for some software updates, which will hopefully make the whole experience even better. Anyway, that's it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 400 subscribers on the channel. Stay blue, my friends. Goodbye.